Welcome! This is Electric AV. Today we're gonna solve the non-official Dino X-shaped cube. If you like, push the like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to the channel. The solution of the Dino cube has three simple steps. You start with the lower crown shape on the bottom, as you can see the orange and blue colors here, with the lower white face solved. Second step, you completely solve lower corners, and then you solve the top yellow face, which actually completes the whole cube. So start with first step 1 to solve the lower face, white face, and also a crown shape on the bottom. The colors of the faces on the side are determined by the Boger rule, which is actually blue, orange, green, and red from right to the left. So let's look at this cube. Actually, it's more like a pyraminx than a cube, with corners that can be rotated with 3 pieces. Each piece has 2 colors. So the first step is to solve the bottom white pieces, but it's very important to solve them in the correct order. So let's start with the white and the blue. If the white is on the bottom, you should always remember that in all Rubik's cubes, the color in the right side is red, and after in the left side of the blue it is orange. So let's find the red or orange. Here, this is white and orange. It should be on the left side. So what you do, rotate it like this from the corner. It's up, and now we can put it on the left side, and it should go here on the bottom. So let's continue rotating it until we can take it to the lower side like this. So this is blue and orange. On the right side of the blue it should be red. So where is white and red? Here it is. Again, we take it to the lower side, and now here it is. Now you get this state that you solve 3 of these white pieces, and the last one is a little bit more tricky. So let's get it down. But when you try to put it in, you always mess one of the pieces that you've already corrected. So I want to put this green on top. It messes the red one. So don't mind that it messes the piece. You just put it in, and then for the correction of the one that we just messed up, you first take these 2 good pieces to the side like this, and now we can put it back in the messed piece, and we can turn those back, and we've got the white pieces and the crown in the correct Boger color. Boger, blue, orange, green, red. Next step completely solves the lower corners with the side edges. And these edges, like this blue orange one, can be rotated from the top on the required direction. Now step 2 is to complete these edges that are between the crown. So this one should be blue and orange, It is green and orange. So where is the blue and orange? Here it is. So we take it, you move it from the top to its correct position. But you do this one by one. So this is the first one. Next one, we should do this one. This is should be orange and green. Here it is. So again, we do this flip. This one is okay. It's between the green and red. And this one should be red and blue, which is here. So we take it and get it down. It messed up this one, but we just return it like this. You got this V shape. Last step solves the top yellow face and completes the cube by a simple rotation algorithm of 3 pieces in the yellow top layer. So it is done by a simple algorithm used for the pyraminx for edge rotation. I call it bringing down and then up again. So let's look. There is a face that is complete. You put it on the back, and the 3 other wrong colors should be rotated. So this yellow piece has green, should go here. This one has red, should go here, and the last one will orange should jump to the other side. So the rotation should be like this, clockwise. So what you do, if we need to rotate from the right side down, so we start from the right side. What you do, you bring it down from the right side, and then from the left side, and then you bring it up again from the right side and from the left side. This completes the rotation and actually solves the whole cube.